Hello, everybody. I'm Chef Ben, and this is Questions of the Week, the show where I answer questions from the last week. This is a short episode. I don't have a ton of time today, so I'm only going to do 3 questions, and we're going to get right into it. So, question 1. This comes from Sue. This is on, I think this is from Dinner with Ben, Monday's episode, which was dal. And she says, I soak my rice first. Usually, do you need to? So I think she's referring to when you cook rice, do you need to pre-soak it? And the answer is no. Pre-soaking rice will shorten the cooking time, but it's also, to me, it makes it so that you can control the cooking of the rice less, because you have no way to really know how much water has been absorbed or anything like that. So, I mean, if anything, I would say just rinse your rice. And then kind of dry it as best you can, and then cook it from there. Soaking it really isn't necessary. Next question. This comes from Sherry. This is on the chicken burger and French fries post. She says, "Looks delicious. Thank you. But how long in between frying? But how long in between frying? In between the first and second of your fries?" Okay, I think what Sherry is asking is how long between the first and second time that I fry the French fries. Because to get them really crispy, you want to fry them twice. Really, like it doesn't really matter. It's more the temperature that's important. So the first fry, you want to fry between 300 and 325 degrees. And essentially that's like to cook the potato through. So you want that to be kind of lower and slower. Just to make sure the potato gets cooked through. And then the second fry is really just to heat the potato back up and to crisp the outside. So you want to do that one on 350 to 365. If you're doing it in a pan, I prefer the heat to be a little bit higher, like 365, because when you put the fries in, it's going to drop the heat. If you have a fryer, it's not going to drop it that much. So the time, you can blanch the fries in the first batch of oil, take the fries out, turn the temperature up on the oil, and as soon as the temperature reaches 150 or 165, put the fries back in. So it could be as little as 5 minutes. It doesn't really matter. Or as long as a couple of days. The final question, this comes from Shauna. She says, every time I make an omelette, it almost always falls apart when I try and fold it. Do you have any tips? Yes. So, in my experience, if you're having trouble folding your omelet, there's a couple of things that are happening. A, you're trying to fold it too late, so you've cooked it a little bit too much, the eggs are a little too firm, and when you fold it, it's just going to break in half. The second possibility is that you're actually mixing your eggs too much, and you're getting too much air in them, so they're puffing up, and when the egg gets super puffy, when you fold it, there's nowhere for that middle part of the egg to go. It's not just going to crease down and fold, so that'll cause it to break. So the secret there is just to mix your eggs enough so that the whites and the yolks are fully kind of mixed together, but you don't want to really beat them for a long time because you don't want to get too much air into them. And the third thing I would say is similar to the second, but possibly because of an addition of milk or water, the eggs got too fluffy and they're not going to fold properly. So the secret there is just don't add milk or water to your eggs. Fold them just as the egg is coming together. Fold it, and then if you need to, cook it the rest of the way once it's folded. And don't beat the egg so much. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's Friday. I'll be back on Monday with another episode of Dinner with Ben. That's 6 p.m. right here on Facebook. We have a special guest this week, and I think we might be doing a giveaway. I don't know. We are making cauliflower wings with, I don't know, you're going to have to watch to find out. I can't remember. And if you would like to take part, all you have to do is go to at Ben Kelly Cooks, or click on my name right up there or there, somewhere over there. It might even be down here. Not sure, it's somewhere in that vicinity. Click on the name and then scroll down a little bit and you'll see an event, and that'll be called Dinner with Ben episode 15, I think, 15 or 16. Anyway, it's all there. I'll see you. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you. Have a great weekend. We'll see you soon.